ANC ayivotelwe ngisho ngamabhinqa amina ngaphezulu ka5 million ngisho ngithi whoever is a bhinqa must go and vote ANC ngolwesithathu so that we can save this country. Ngihlalile mina nomongameli phansi akhuluma naye wazenza izethembiso eyinqala zamabhinqa nokubuka isimo impilo yabantu abamnyama abahlupheka abangena ama-conflicts wathembisa mina ukuthi uzowenza ukushintsha uzolwenza futhi ziyakhala manje. Cyril Matamela Ramaphosa must remain the president of this country. ANC must lead us. We are not ready for that nonsensical situation that is about to happen in the country. Never. Ithe kuliphi ngamakhulu.
Uphakela Mthakathi wamemezela ukuthi ngomhla ka-30 kuJuni i-deadline lapha laba bala eSouth Africa ngokungekho semthethweni noma bala eSouth Africa kodwa bengenawo amaphepha noma imvume yokubala funa bebe sebehambile. Emveni kwesememezele lolu suku uJacinta bebambisene noNongizwe babe sebethi cha sebayingxenye lokho ngoba vele sibambisene isikhala ngaso sisodwa kusho ukuthi they have a common goal ukuthi balwa ne-illegal immigration. Okutheke ngomhla ka-29 kuJuni 2026 kwavonakala iy'thombe zikaNgizwe nethimba lela ehamba nalo kanye nophakela Mthakathi behlangene noPresident uCyril Ramaphosa. Ziningi kakhulu izinto ezakhulunywa kulezo nsuku ngoba abantu babuza umbuzo othi kungani uma uNgizwe nophakela Mthakathi bohlangana noPresident kodwa uJacinta angabi ingxenye yomhlangano. Bambuza futhi abezindaba uJacinta ukuthi unalo ulwazi na ngaloya mhlangano, wathi cha yena ubengenalwazi. Emveni kwalapho uphakela Mthakathi waba ne-media briefing lapha achaza khona ukuthi yena wafonelwa esendleleni yeStandard. Njengoba efonelwe esendleleni yeStandard kwaze kwafona umuntu osephalamende ukuze ajike. Uthe mayisefika emhlanweni wafike walalela okukhulunywa uPresident futhi wachaza naye kuPresident ukuthi njengoba aqinisekisa isilo namanje uyaqinisekisa lizokuba bikho udlame, imashi izobe peaceful. Uthe mase kushuthwa iy'thombe indodana yakhe abehamba naye emotweni ayizange ibe ingxenye yomhlangano ngoba ubengeke ethi emenyiwe bese naye amemo wakhe umuntu. Ngeke-ke ayeke ukubiza indodana yakhe esemotweni ebese efonela uJacinta okude futhi okwesibili uJacinta uganile unkosikazi womuntu akulula-ke ukuthi angavela amfonele kanjalo. So isona sizathu esenza ukuthi yena angene kuleya mhlangano kodwa nje akukho lutho olungale kwalokho akushoyo. uMancinza welakho wenza media briefing wathi hayi loya mhlangano loya kuney'nsolo ezithi ukufika kwabo kuloya mhlangano bakhokhelwa imali engango-3 million. Ngathi 1.5 million yatholakala amakuhlelwa bevuma ukuthi bazoba khona, then 1.5 million izotholakala mase selifikile usuku lokuthi kuhlanganwe. Kuze kube namhlanje akakaze abukhiphe ubufakazi. Okuthemveni kwalapho lo mfana lo wakwaNtombela lozibiza ngenkosi osondelene noNgizwe kakhulu naye uphakela Mthakathi waqamba amanga wathi uphakela Mthakathi uqamba amanga mayethi ingane yakhe ayingenanga ukushutha noPresident Ramaphosa. Wayesethatha insizwa yakwaNdlovu ehlezi hamba nophakela Mthakathi okuyiyona eshutha uphakela Mthakathi la suke ehamba khona. Wathi nansi indodana yakhe. Kubantu ababengamazi lo mfo wakwaNdlovu bagcina bemkhola ukuthi loya iyona ndodana kaphakela Mthakathi. Konke lokhu kwenziwa umuntu osondelene noNgizwe. Ngikulandela lo mlando ngamabomu ukuze sithi sifika kule lethe ekhishwe iMarch and March lapho ethi khona okwamanje abeze ukuzihlanganisa noNgizwe, azikho iy'nhlelo abazozenza nabazozihlela lapho khona bazobe benoNgizwe khona. Okwamanje kusesekhona uphenyo oluzoba khona. Wazi ukuthi yonke lento isukaphi. Ngifuna mina nawe siconnect amadoda ngoba silazi iqiniso lendaba. Seloku kwaba khona umhlangano uNgizwe akaze asho lutho. Akaze aza aphumele obala athi cha nasi sizathu senza ukuthi uMangobe sesingambizi kwaba nje noma uphakela Mthakathi wakwenza lokho. Okwesibili abantu abaqamba amanga bethi uphakela Mthakathi indodana yakhe yangena lapha abantu abasondelene noNgizwe ilo mfana kaNtombela osondelene noNgizwe omunye umuntu owaqamba amanga usondelene noNgizwe. Okwesithathu uPhakela Umthakathi uhambile yena ohlangana noJacinta baxoxa balungisa la ukonakele khona iMarch and March akhipha istatement kodwa uNgizwe zangakwenza okufanayo. Kungani? Why funeka labantu abasondelene noNgizwe baqamba amanga instead of bavikele uPhakela Umthakathi baveza ama-facts okuyiwo? They are driving a narrative to a certain direction kube sengathi umuntu odayise ngomzabalazo uPhakela Umthakathi ngoba kwenze njani. Kungenzeka na ukuba kukhona abakuzuzile bona lapha yanongizwe. Angisho ukuthi mina khona abakuzuzile kodwa why beqamba amanga ngomuntu abasondelene naye? Ngizibuza lo mbuzo ngoba ever since lapho uPhakela Umthakathi noNgizwe awuphendanga ngoba bona bendawonye. Bona baxabene ngiyazi. Asifunde nase statement esivela kuMarch and March. Into March and March isifundeka kanje. Media statement. The March and March movement convened its ordinary NEC meeting on the 25th of July 2026 to reflect on the range of issues. The movement noted the reports tabled by the working group and, in particular, the investigation report emanating from the investigation stationed by the NEC in respect of matters relating to the events leading up to the 30th of June 2026 and the aftermath. Accordingly, the movement took the following resolutions. 1. State versus Fulgenze Nimubona, Miss Nomthandazo Mpele victim. On the 16th of July 2026, a foreign national from Burundi or the DRC masquerading as a pastor and a car guard brutally assaulted Miss Mpele, a sister to a patriot of our dear brother, Pastor Mjost, and her daughter with an intention to kill them in their home in Durban. The accused tried to take his life in the holding cell after his arrest. We noted the dismay that when the accused was taken to the Wentworth Hospital for the treatment of self-inflicted minor injuries, he started performing and pretending to be mentally incapacitated. What was more disturbing was the fact that the doctor wanted to refer the accused for a mental evaluation without complying with the Mental Health Act 17 of 2002. Read with Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977. It is alleged that the doctor who treated the accused is a foreign national. Accordingly, the NEC has resolved to conduct an investigation in this regard. We call upon the National Prosecuting Authority to ensure that the victim find justice and that the matter be attended to expeditiously. The accused deserves nothing but a harsher sentence, and that after serving his said appropriate sentence, he must be deported to the country of origin. Gender-based violence is a cancer even if it is committed by a South African. 2. Event building up to the 30th of June 2026 and aftermath. The movement received a report from its governance and legal compliance wing following a protracted investigation. The said investigation relates to the attempt by political role players and business cartels to destabilize the movement and demobilize our people. The movement has come to a conclusion that these actions are orchestrated by lazy thinkers, criminals, and beneficiaries of colonialism who do not see anything wrong with our youth languishing in drugs, unemployment, and the delusion of our identity while they live large at the expense of our indigenous people. The movement accepts the findings that there has been an offer and acceptance of gratification in exchange for the soul of the movement and our people. And this is war we are prepared to fight relentlessly. We want a united South Africa. We want to work with people we can trust. Having considered the facts before us, juxtaposes with the finding principles and values in our mission statement, having attempt to engage with all our stakeholders, the movement has accordingly resolved that pending further investigations, it will not be working with Ngizwe Mchunu. Kusho ukuthi njengoba uphenyo lusaqhubeka nje, i-organization iMarch and March sithatha isinqumo sokuthi ayizukusebenzisana noNgizwe Mchunu ngoba kusekhona uphenyo olukhona. Sebetholile ukuthi kunabantu kuze politiki nabanye abakumabhizinisi abakhokhela abantu abathize ukuthi ababulala iqembu ngaphakathi. Abasho kodwa ukuthi ungize ukwenza lokho, bathi nje ngoba kusekhona uphenyo abezukusebenzisana noNgizwe. Asiqhubeke. On the tragic and untimely demise of our Gauteng and Northwest Province leaders and social activists, the movement of the people of South Africa have been deprived and robbed of the great leader and gallant fighter who until his last breath stood with the vulnerable people of our country. Mr. Andile Mvuyela Somgxada was not and should not remain part of the statistics. He is not a number in the system but a South African who did not deserve to die. The movement paid tribute to this giant of our time. While we engage with the family, we call upon the South African Police Service to close down the perpetrators with speed. Will not rest until the family find justice. Today, we honor life and sacrifice made by our gallant fighter, social and anti-crime activist, Mr. Thato Singanga Molosankwe, who was also murdered in Lamunyaning village outside Mahikeng in the Northwest Province. Two suspects aged 28 and 38 were arrested by the South African Police Services Provincial Murder and Robbery Unit on the 10th of July 2026. The movement called upon the NPA to expedite this matter. 4. March and March Thursday. The movement is pleased with the nationwide Thursday activations being rolled out. We have seen our people taking to the street, visiting business with police and immigration officers. We have engaged with various stakeholders, inter alia, traditional leaders, the religious sector, business forums, political parties, and in the end, everyone will be on board the liberation train. We take our hat off to our leaders in Limpopo province for working tirelessly in ensuring that we eradicate irregular migration in the province. This coming Thursday, the movement will paint the street of Limpopo white as we take on the street in the quest not only to eradicate irregular migration but to ensure that no African child is sold as a slave in South Africa. The NEC is looking forward to a peaceful and successful march. We also call upon our people to come out in numbers. The National Executive Committee and the Provincial Task Team will be leading peaceful protest. 5. Picketing outside the Zimbabwean embassy against the unjust detention of Zimbabwean activist Mr. Begimpilo Mbenzi. Ngikhathele manje ukufunda. Kunensizwa yaseZimbabwe la iboshwe izandla nenyawo. Ngiyasaba ukufaka ivideo yakhona la ngenxa ukuthi YouTube ubuya benezitayela lezanazo. Ngenxa ukuthi yaphikisana nesinqumo lesi esathathwa uEmmerson Mnangagwa upresident waseZimbabwe sokuthi extende ipresidency yakhe egameni lokuthi abantu baseZimbabwe abanamali ukuthi bangaba nama elections. Ngakho ke aqhubeke extende ukuba khona kwakhe as president. Angazi noma till 2030 na. Kodwa upresident Emmerson Mnangagwa extende isikhathi azosihlala as upresident lapha eZimbabwe. Lensizwa ke the mayizwakalisa ukungenami kwayo yaboshwa izandla nenyawo beyivele enkantolo nje iboshiwe ngamaketanga. Ngakho ke iMarch and March ithathe isinqumo sokuthi ngolwesihlanu ngomhla ka31 bayomasha kwi-embassy besupport abantu baseZimbabwe abangahambelani nalesinqumo. Basizwile ukuthi nakhona eZimbabwe kukhona abantu bakhona eZimbabwe abahlela ukumasha. Ila ufika ubone khona ukuthi iSouth Africa sinayo inkululeko ngempela. Ngoba la eSouth Africa siyamthuka uPresident Ramaphosa akuboshwa umuntu. Siyatoyitoya akuboshwa umuntu. Futhi nayo uyama phambi kwezizwe athi abantu mabetoyitoya benza okuyilungelo labo. Into engafuneki ukuthi baluthe okanye badamage impahla, kodwa nje ukuthi batoyitoye kuyilungelo labo. Feke ukukhombisa ukuthi iSouth Africa ikhululeke ngempela. Uma nje wena ungathiwa uphikisane nokuthi upresident ufuna uku-extend isikhathi anikwe sona ukuthi abe upresident bese uboshwe izandla nenyawo. eSouth Africa kwenzeki lokho. Angibambe le video. Ngithi nje angikwazisa ukuthi konakele iMarch and March ithatha isinqumo sokuthi ngeke isasebenzisana noNgizwe Mchunu. Besalindeka ukuthi kuphele uphenyo lwabo ngoba sebetholile ukuthi kunabantu abathize ebemukela inkokhelo. Kunabantu abathize abemukela ukukhokhela. Kwakade kungizwe siyamazi ukuthi uyi-ANC. Siyamazi, uzwile nayo kwivideo esiqale ngayo. Ungizwe uyi-ANC. So noma bemasha ugovernment obona abantu abaphethe abakwi-government i-ANC. So ekugcineni kosuku kufanele enze noma yini ebekhumbula ukuthi ikhaya lakhe lela fanelanga lonakale ekhona. Nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo, ngiyabonga.